Riddell, we have the answers for what's wrong with your son Buzz. It's a complex 1 deficiency.
What?
A complex 1 deficiency, a mitochondrial mutation. Mitochondria are specialized compartments located within the human body that every part of the human cells, excluding red blood cells. Mitochondria are essential to the human body since they generate approximately 90% of our energy. Failure to generate this can lead to cell injury or even death of many cells. And disease within the mitochondria can lead to system failure within the body and can even lead to be fatal, especially in children. Now, disease can stem from inherited or spontaneous mutations in nDNA or mtDNA. This can eventually lead to alteration in RNA and proteins, making major changes within the human body.
How did she get it? I don't have it. My husband doesn't have it.
Let my assistant tell you about that and inform you on Punnett squares.
It's a Punnett square. It represents the genes that you have and the genes that your husband has and the resulting options for your child's genes. As you can see, both you and your husband have heterozygous alleles, meaning that you have one of each of the NDUFS alleles. Since the NDUFS allele is dominant, it is the one that was expressed in both of your phenotypes. By chance, both of you passed down the NDUFS2 alleles, resulting in the expression of that particular allele, thus creating a deficiency.
Any sense? Can you explain more?
It's all about the complex 1 deficiency. Once again, let my assistant explain it to you.
Complex 1 is the first, largest, and most intricate component of the mitochondrial respiratory chain. It is responsible for the transfer of electrons from NADH to ubiquinone. It is also responsible for the translocation of protons across the mitochondrial membrane. As you may recall from Biology 1510 at Georgia Tech, both of these processes are vital in the electron transport chain, which ultimately results in the production of energy in the form of ATP. Due to the deficiency in complex 1, this profoundly important process is negatively affected.
So,
Until now, NDUFS2 mutations have been associated with encephalopathy and hypertrophic cardiomyopathy. However, this report confirms that compound heterozygous NDUFS2 mutations can also occur in patients with Lay or Lay-like syndromes. Also, it was observed that reductions occur in full-size complex 1 levels and identified that NDUFS2 is a mutation hotspot among white Caucasian patients with isolated complex 1 deficiency and Lay or Lay-like syndromes. And unfortunately, it's not looking too good for Buzz right now.
thank you. I understand.